I'm just reading this book all about the different animals in the world. Now, if you could be an animal or a different type of creature, what would you be?
I think I'd be a brilliant bird, flying through the clouds. But there's only one problem with that. I can't fly!
No, I don't think I'd make a very good bird after all. Although, it does give me a great idea. Let's make something.
Why not make your own brilliant bird's nest out of string?
Let's make it. We'll need some things from the doodle drawers. Some string and an old plastic bowl. Some paints. Some pom-poms. Some PVA gloopy glue and some shredded tissue paper. Orange card, white stickers and a pen. Oh! Now to make a brilliant, brightly coloured bird's nest, like this one here, you first have to start off with 3 bowls. There's 1, 2 and 3. Now in these 3 bowls we're going to put a large bundle of string in each one. Now we need to add our paint. You can choose whatever colours you like, but I'm going to choose green, red and yellow. Let's put some green into the first bowl. Now the red and the yellow in the third bowl. And now into each bowl we're going to add a dollop of gloopy glue. Now let's give them all a mix. Now we'll move our bowls over to here. And then we're going to bring in an old plastic bowl like this. Now make sure you check with an adult first that it's okay to use it. Then turn it upside down on a tray like this. Then we're going to cover the whole bowl in special gloopy string. Let's start with the green string. Now we can add the red and the yellow. But it's a good idea, because I've got such mucky fingers, to wipe your hands first.
Make sure you cover the bowl in lots of layers of different coloured string.
Like this. Then you can leave it to dry overnight. Good night! Morning! When it's all dry, you can very carefully push the bowl out. There we are. And you're left with a lovely nest. Oh, all that's missing now is a bird.
Here it is.
And to make a bird, you need 2 pom-poms.
Now it looks good if you use 1 large one and 1 small one.
Now we're going to glue those together. There we go. Now we can add some eyes to our bird by using white stickers.
Add black dots with a pen for pupils and stick them on.
All that's missing now is the bird's beak. So for that, we need a piece of orange card. And we're going to cut out a triangle shape. Be careful though, because scissors are sharp. And then stick it on to your bird. Now you can put your bird into its new home. So let's bring our nest back in and make it nice and comfortable by adding some lovely soft shredded tissue paper. And then the bird can sit in the middle. Lovely! A beautiful bird in its brilliant new home. And you can also try some other ideas. How about a glittery bird's nest made by sprinkling glitter on your gloopy string?
Or even a really big bird's nest with lots of birds in it.
Oh, great!
Time to go!
That means my making time's over, but yours is just beginning. See you soon. It's time to put all this stuff back in its box!
If you like making things like